Hello there, you're watching one tourist video blog about my trip to the Norway in my self-made camper van, in this thing. And now I'm in Norway on Lofoten Islands. And look at this view! Wow! That's just insanely beautiful. I arrived here yesterday night by the ferry. I want to spend a very nice time here. And about my plans for today. At first I want to take a breakfast badly because I didn't eat anything after the ferry yesterday and that felt so good. So I will take a breakfast and then I'm not sure what I will do. I didn't know anything there yet, but I have an internet, so it's no problem. And also I have a nice guy from my Instagram subscribers, Mr. Clayboy. Sorry if I pronounce it wrong. Hello to you and thanks. He recommended me the most beautiful places out there. He lives on the islands, so he knows the best places out there, and it's nice to have someone in the place to recommend you some beautiful places. And damn, this place is beautiful. Look at that! My view is insane. I think it's the best I had during my trip. So, breakfast is first, and after that I will decide what I will do. It's about 5 p.m. right now, and all I did for the day is I launched my drone. It was a small window of the nice weather, and when I landing it's already started to rain, and it's raining for like 4 hours now. It's raining again. I'm not complaining much. In Norway it's pretty normal. What you could expect is raining half days in the summer. But I don't want to waste these beautiful islands for just driving under the rain and sitting in the van. So I just waiting here, not moving at all. It's a very nice place to wait there. So that what I will do, just wait there for the nice weather. Maybe tomorrow You know what is cool when this weather happens? The rain all day long without any stops and the mist, and I couldn't film anything, shot anything, do anything outside. But the cool thing is I not feel like I stuck inside my van because it's so spacious. I sit there, my dog is laying here, I'm reading, I making tea, food inside, no problem with my pretty normal kitchen, and I can lay and go to the toilet, and I can do whatever I want. Work with laptop here with this beautiful table and with this pretty nice view still, even in the rain. I'm not feeling like I'm sitting, where when you're sitting in the car and can get out, you just sit there and it's like, what have I do? Maybe the phone, and you're sitting on a phone. No, I'm feeling here like a small apartment, and I can do whatever normal people doing in their apartments, like watch films. I don't have any films, but I can watch films if I had one. But reading, cooking, and enjoying my time here is no problem. So, yeah, sometimes the bigger van has its very huge advantages. In my space, I'm fine. I I could be there for some days, it's no problem. I hope tomorrow will be better weather to browse surroundings. Good morning! I skipped the previous day, last day completely. I filmed nothing during that day because it was all about the rains during this day. Rains was all over the place, all the time, and I had only like 15, maybe 30 minutes between the rains to walk my dog around, and that's all. It was all about the rains. And basically, what I did all the day was reading, listening to music, just planning a trip a little, and that's all. I didn't move my van to. I just staying where I was in like 2 days already, and but today's weather is much better. For now, it's a little raining again, raining, but but in the morning it was much better. We had some sun there, and I even managed to fly a drone a little, so make some beautiful shots, and it was all fine. And I thought about moving to another place, but then my phone dies. Just like that. So I play on my phone, play with some drone software a little, like a video editor kind of, and it just freezes, then turns off, and that's all. I couldn't turn it on again. You see this blue light is lightning, and I search solutions on the internet. Luckily I have my iPad, so I can use internet, and I find some solutions like holding these buttons and these buttons for some couple of seconds, but nothing works for my situation. It just do nothing. Just I press all the buttons, all the things, and it just stays like that. Nothing changes, and charger not change it too. So now I have a last chance. I'm waiting for my battery in the phone to die. I don't know how much it will take. And instead of going somewhere in this good weather, I try to revive my phone instead. And now it's again a bad weather, so I'm not sure should I move or not. So yeah, now I need to think a little.
where will you be? Flickering through memories, the Polaroids yellowed in the sun, longing to be seen. So come and hide with me, hide with me, hide with me. Come and hide with me, hide with me, hide with me. Stars are bright, they call you out just to hear your voice on the machine. Nothing will be like it was, but you will always be my first choice, just as it seems. So I left the house broken, I walked this dirty streets for years, I left it all to see you, to wipe my moving tears. Will you hide with me, hide with me, hide with me.
Hey, and I'm on new place, not this rocky beautiful place that I was staying about 3 days. So yeah, I decided to change the place finally. It was pretty hard to move because that place I stayed is so beautiful. But I changed the place, so I drive about maybe 20 kilometers? Yeah, islands are not very big. So I moved to another place I found and I like it a lot. See how beautiful it is! Yeah, I know, you see nothing, but yeah, I can show you. This is one of the bridges that are main touristic attraction bridges, and here some kind of village there, and that's, I don't know, it's a fjord probably. So yeah, this place was great about half an hour ago when I arrived here. Weather today is not that bad, but it's still rainy sometimes. I hope the tomorrow's weather will be better. For I saw the weathercast, it must be no rains tomorrow. That will be so great. I want to fly a drone here because it's a couple of bridges there. It must be very nice picture here when it will not rain. So yeah, and I can title this video about some kind of rain and other troubles, because not only my phone was dead today, I also overfill my water tank and split water all over the place. Sorry, I didn't film it because I was a little busy with cleaning all the stuff. But basically, yeah, my water filling system for my tank is not ready, so I doesn't have any tank filling kind of hose opening. It just I just open my water tank, the big plastic cap opens, and I just pour water there. And yeah, I was a little distracted, so he's like, oh, what? And water everywhere. So the water flow was so fast that I didn't notice that it's already full. And it was everywhere in the back of my van and just dropping out of my van to the ground. So yeah, and I have a wooden floor, which is not so great idea for the spillage of water. I hope I clean all the stuff. At the end it was not so much water inside really, but it was some places to clean. Yeah, so yeah, weather is getting better right now. You see, it's no more raining, and it's kind of sun there, and the bridge is beautiful. Look at that. Nice bridge, blue water there, but no blue water here, and clouds there. So the weather on these islands change so fast. Like 5 minutes, one weather, 5 minutes it's stormy, 5 minutes it's sunny, 5 minutes it's just gray, whatever. So yeah, I just know that it will change. It will change. So if I sitting on some place and I like it, but weather is not too good, just wait. Just wait. It might be 15 minutes, an hour, 5 hours, or maybe a day, but weather will change. Oh yeah, it looks almost like you know this Windows wallpaper theme there, like here. Focus, please. Yeah, like so beautiful there. These green hills. Okay, that's a long monologue here. It's nice that I finally move, and I hope for better weather for tomorrow to fly my drone, make some great photos and videos, and move to another place. Good night.
If I left the house broken, I walked these dirty streets for years. I left it all to see you, to wipe up all your tears.
Hey, my phone is working again. I let him discharge full, so my blue light was gone, and I connected to the charger, wait a little, and now it works. Hallelujah, it's very great because I need my phone badly here. So yeah, I am so happy right now. Just take phone from the man and give it back and he will be so happy. Okay. See you tomorrow. My phone died again.